y equals mx plus c. Should ring bells at GCSE. You will have done this at GCSE. And as has been pointed out, if I'm plotting y against x, those are my two variables, in other words, and just to normally what we call the independent variable x goes on the horizontal axis, and the dependent variable y, which depends on x, goes on the vertical axis. So we call these the independent and dependent variables, but that's a little aside. Those are the two variables, in other words, x and y. If we plot them and we get a straight line, then that means it's a linear function that's relating y and x, and so there's no power involved. Y is proportional to x. Y equals mx plus some sort of constant c. So c turns out to be the y-intercept, and m turns out to be the gradient. And how do I calculate the gradient? I draw a triangle somewhere convenient, so that's often a convenient place where it cuts. And then I divide y by x to get the gradient. So m equals whatever y is divided by x, read off the scale. And I'm sure you've done that sort of stuff before, but that's just a quick review of the equation of the line. If I get a straight line, if I plot two variables, y and x, and I get a straight line, I know that that's a relationship. And so all I've got to then do to find the values of m and c is for c, look where it cuts through the y-axis, and to find m, find the gradient.